let me say that nothing is certain except death and taxes. That was Benjamin Franklin in 1789. But then he didn't have access to internet, cell phone, or mobile phone, or even electricity for that matter. He didn't have to deal with the bills. I think if he was alive, he would probably say nothing is certain except death, taxes, and bills. Well, Americans, on an average, deal with 15 to 20 bills every month. Collectively, we pay about 15 billion bills. That amounts to almost $3 trillion every year. Despite all this, the bill pay experience has not changed much at all since the early days of online banking. Now, e-bill adoption, e-statement adoption is very, very low, at less than 20% right now. So consumers, what they want is all their bills aggregated in one place, so it's easy to manage, convenient to pay, in one place, either using their bank account or credit card account. Finovera is redefining that experience, and let us share with you how we are going to do that today. So in this case, we have a mobile phone application, and let's assume that Finovera is integrated with your bank's mobile app. So what I have here is my inbox. This is all real data. I have all my bills actually on my phone, and I can see my electric bill, utilities, insurance, credit cards, mileage plus cards. And then on the My Money tab, I also have my bank accounts, bank statements, from E-Trade, brokerage statements, and all that stuff. So all my financial is actually aggregated. Now I can see the PDF files if I want to, because we bring all the PDF files. Okay, so let's take a look at Chase, for example. Let's take a Chase account and look at the bill details. So you have the summary. Now, bill details tells you what the current balance is, what the minimum due is, your credit limits. So all the details are available to you right there on your phone. Now, a lot of us are used to getting the mail in the post office. So for those people, we have PDF bills, or you want to keep for record keeping, the full PDF bill is available. Now, the whole thing is running on your phone, so you're actually carrying your phone in your pocket. The entire digital file cabinet is available to you in your pocket. Now, the nice thing about this, research has shown that actually if you are an e-bill user, you are probably 40% less likely to switch the banks and 25% worth more for banks than a typical online bill pay user. Now let's take a look at another example where we're going to show a bill pay. So let's say I have a Verizon account and I want to pay bill, but I want to pay on my bank and I want to use a credit card. So this is something new innovation that we are showing it first time today at Finovate. And the way it works is that you select your bill. Finovera knows my bill. It knows what credit card I use. So by default, everything is populated. But if you had a new credit card, you just fill it out and you're ready to go. So we'll use this credit card to pay the bill. And now when you hit the pay bill button, it actually goes to the Verizon website and conducts a transaction. It sends the transaction to Verizon website, and finally it's all done. But this is all happening at the bank side. This is the first time that the bankers could now actually pay online bill using credit cards, where the credit cards or debit cards are accepted online, and earn interchange fee and save on bill pay costs. So this is the new innovation that we're showing you the first time. Now let's say you have a typical online bill pay, which is all integrated. So we're just going to use one of the bills. I have this bill that I came from my Chandler home. So we're just going to add that bill. It's already there in my account, but I'm just going to add the new bill. Now we will take a picture of my paper bill that I got in the mail, and we'll scan it using the phone. Okay, we took the picture, and we'll use this photo. And now this bill is attached to my original bill, which was actually on the phone. And it becomes part of the file cabinet record that I have in the system. Okay, so now I have the bill. I can easily go and pay. And this could go through online banking. So now I'm going through my Bank of America. In this case, this is obviously a demo, so we're really not conducting the transaction. But it'll be a similar experience. You go through the whole thing, and you will get the confirmation number, and we'll show you that your bill is paid through the bank. So we just showed you the bank payment as well as the credit card payment, using the same user experience. The Finovera is also available on the desktop as well as iOS and Android platform. So this is the desktop version. We have alerts that will notify the customers that they may not have enough sufficient balance in the bank account to pay the bill, for example. So we keep track of the cash flow and make sure that you're aware of it. The other thing that we do is obviously we notify the bill that is due in 5 days, for example, or we will keep track of your financials and show you that your Comcast bill or AT&T bill for this month is 20% more than average. There are other things like dashboards, for example, that will show you an overall picture of your financials. There's an accounts page that has account management functions, including how you set up the bill pay and showing you the PDF and the full file cabinet. Your file cabinet has all your bills, statements, and documents, which you can upload it as well if you want to. To summarize, Finovera brings the simplicity, efficiency, and convenience to the drudgery of managing and paying bills. It's a very unwanted task that is second only to cleaning and laundry in the household, for example. When customers and members rely on your services, they are more attuned to rely on other services that you offer. So when they purchase a house or a car or get a mortgage, they will look at you because of the applications such as Finovera. Finovera is designed to be seamlessly integrated with banking platforms, online banking with a single sign-on, and now being licensed to financial institutions. It is a true win-win. You generate more revenue, lower your servicing cost, and build deeper loyalty with your customers. And customers get a better way to pay their bills and manage their financial life. With Finovera, Benjamin Franklin may be right all over again. Thank you very much.